ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम। जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्रीरामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्रीहनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनम्। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्रीतुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्रीतुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a warm welcome. Yesterday we saw the beautiful stuti sung by Santa Sutikshnaji, and he concluded with a very beautiful doha. अनुज जानकी सहित प्रभु चाप बाण धर राम। मम हिय गगन इंदु इव बसहु सदा नेह काम। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय। अनुज लक्ष्मण जी, जानकी सहित along with Sita ji, Prabhu चाप बाण धर राम. In this format, चाप बाणधर राम मनहिय गगन इंदु इव. In my heart space, please come and stay like the beautiful moon. Basahu sada nikama, please remain and make my heart desireless. We saw yesterday. Continuing, now see how Ramchandra ji responds. Evamastu kari Rama nivasa. The 12th chaupai. Evamastu kari Rama nivasa. हर्षि चले कुंभ ऋषि पासा बहुत दिवस गुर दर्शनु पाए भये मोहि आश्रम आए अब प्रभु संग जाऊं गुर पाही तुम कह नाथ निहोरा नाही देखी कृपा निधि मुनि चतुराई लिए संग बिहसे द्वौ भाई पंथ कहत निज भगति अनुपा मुनि आश्रम पहुँचे सुर भूपा तुरत सुती छन गुर पहि गयऊ करि दंडवत कहत अस भयऊ नाथ कोसलाधीश कुमारा आए मिलन जगत आधारा राम अनुज समेत बैदेही निसि दिनु देव जपत हूँ जेही. We will see till here. Evamastu. Tathastu. Now see, very interestingly, when Sutishna ji requested Ramchandra ji and asked for a boon of being in his heart, Ramchandra ji said Tathastu. Why? Sutishna is balakaiva. We saw childlike. Therefore, Ramchandra ji also said Tathastu, Evamastu here. He did not say so to the other munis. Why? They are all elderly, very gauravanvita munaya. If you say plurally. Very, very elderly and very well accomplished. Therefore, Bhagavan also, he kept quiet. But here he says, Evamastu, Tathastu, Kari Ramanivasa, the one who is the indweller in the heart of Rama, that is here Lakshmi. Harashi chale kumbhaja rishi pasa. He joyously started to visit to the Jar-born Kumbhaja Agastya Rishi. Bahuta divasa gura darasanu paye bhaye mohi ashrama aaye. Sutikshna says, hey Bhagavan, it is long time, Bahu Divasa Gura Darsanupaya. It is very, very, so many days or months or years that I have not seen my Guru. Bhaye mohi ashrama aaye. I have come here and I have been living here in this ashrama, in this hermitage. Ab Prabhu Sang Jau Gura Pahi. Now, my Lord, Prabhu, now that you are going to see my Guru, Tuma kahanata nihora nahi. I will also come with you. But not under your obligation or something like that, but I will also come you. Two reasons. One, I have not seen my Guru for such a long time. I will come. Two, you don't have to search and ask here and there, etc., etc. I know the route. I will take you directly there. Dekhi Kripanidhi Muni Chaturai. Kripanidhi Dekhi. Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji, he saw the cleverness of Sutishna ji. Liye sanga bihase dvau bhai. Both the brothers, Ramchandra ji and Lakshman ji, looked at each other and they gave a very interesting, understanding smile to each other. Pantha kahata nija bhagati anupa. Then they took along. Okay, he said, okay, you can come along. And then on the way, Kahata Nija Bhagati Anupa, a lot of, discourses Bhagavan gave. So very, beautiful, cult of devotion, we say. So many devoted Santa Samaja is there. So he spoke all about them. This is only to bring the joy of devotion, one, and to establish that devotion in the hearts of the devotee. He gave lot of discourses. Muni ashrama pahunche Surabhupa. Surabhupa, the lord of all the gods, arrived at Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji. Ramchandraji arrived at Agastya Muni's cottage, hermitage. Turata Suti Chana Gura Pahi Gayavu. Sutikshi immediately ran ahead. Ahead of Ramchandraji, he ran there and saw his guru and Kari Dandavata Kahata Asabhayavu. He, fell at the feet of Agastya. Dandavata. He fell at the feet of his guru and later addressed him. Natha Kosaladhisa Kumara Aaye Milana Jagata Adhara. Hey Natha, my lord, Kosaladhisa Kumara, the son of Kosaladhisa, king of Kosala, that is Dasharatji, the son of Dasharatji, Ramchandraji. Aaye Milana, he is come to see you, Jagata Adhara, have come to see you, who is the very support of the entire world, has come to see you. Rama Anuja Sameta Vaidehi. Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji, accompanied by his Anuja, Lakshmanji, Sameta Vaidehi, along with Vaidehi, Nisidinu Deva Japata Huntehi, whose name you repeat night and day. Whose name is your very breath. He has come here, hey Guru, he says. Continuing, Sunata Agasti Turata Uthidhaye Hari Bilo Kilo Chana Jala Chaye Munipada Kamala Pare Dvau Bhai Rishi Ati Priti Liye Uralai Sadara Kusala Puchi Muni Gyani Asana Bara Baithare Ani पुनि करी बहु प्रकार प्रभु पूछा मोहि सम भाग्यवंत नहीं दूजा जहाँ लगी रहे अपर मुनि वृंदा हर्षे सब बिलो की सुख कंदा मुनि समूह मह बैठे सन्मुख सब की ओर सरद इंदु तन चितवत मानहु निकर चकोर सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। सुनत अगस्ती तुरत उठी धाये. The moment Agastyaji heard, what? You brought him, you remember the Guru Dakshina which Sutikshaji was wanted to give? He asked him, what Guru Dakshina can I give? At that time, to just at that moment to get rid of him and with a little anger. We saw this. He said, go and bring Rama to the ashram, go. And then Sutikshaji had left. Remember? That is now here. Look at that, when our devotion, when our dedication, when our surrender, when our conviction is complete, and our surrender at the feet of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji is there, Rama himself will come and complete that sankalpa. Now here, Agastyaji was so astonished. He had told him, bring Rama, and Sutikshaji has brought Rama here. The moment he heard that, he almost sprang up and he ran. Hari Biloki Lochana Jala Chaye. Hari Biloki, he saw that Hari in the form of Bhagavan Sri Ramchandraji. Lochana Jala Chaye. His eyes was filled with tears. Muni Pada Kamal Pare Dvau Bhai Rishi Ati Priti Liye Uralai. The two brothers, Ramchandraji and Lakshmanji, of course Sitaji also, they fell at the feet of the sage Rishi. Even though Ramchandraji is God and everybody know that he is none other than Hari, yet Dharma Paripalanam, he fell at the feet of Guru. This is a very important factor. When you see a Guru, just fall at his feet. That is everybody's dharma. You don't have to scrutinize, analyze whether that Guru deserves my namaskaram, whether he is, all that we should not do. Just fall at his feet. Both the brothers fell at his feet, of course, Sitaji Sahita. Rishi Ati Preeti Liye Uralai. Agastya Rishi, he lifted and embraced both of them with utmost preeti, with utmost love and affection. He embraced both of them. Sadara kusala puchi muni gyani asana bara baithare ani. Kushala vichara, he asked. It's a courtesy. How are you? How are things happening? All that we also do know whenever we meet our friend. But though time it was sincere, today it is all nataka. I'm so sorry. With due respects to the genuine people, today it has become a mechanical question. It has become such a nataka. Oh, hi, how are you? But out of the heart, when you ask, it is so beautiful. That feeling is so wonderful. Puche, he asked, Muni Jnani. Muni, first of all sage, Jnani, he can come to know. Yet he asked Sadara Kusala, he asked the welfare. Asana bara baithare ani. When they all came, he embraced them and then asked for their welfare and gave them the appropriate seats to sit down. Puni kari bahu prakara prabhu puja. Again, bahu prakara, in very many ways, he offered his salutations to Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji. He offered his puja, worship. Mohi samabhagyavanta nahi duja. And said, there cannot be another person so blessed as I am. Earlier also I had the darshan. Now also again I am having the darshan. In fact, thanks to, silently he must have told, thanks to my Shishya who has brought you. So there is no other person who is as blessed as I am. Jahi lagi rahe apara muni brinda. And apara muni brinda, the other saints and sages who were all there, assembled there, harashe sab, everybody were so delighted below ki sukha kanda, seeing this wonderful fountain of joy. The very treasure of all happiness, Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji, all of them were extremely happy. Muni samuha mah baithe sanmukha sabaki or. As he sat down, Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra Ji, in the assembly of sages, he sat turning, in such a way that he is not showing back to his guru or showing back to the sages. He sat in such a way that he could see everybody. Sarada indu tanachita vata manahunikara chakora. And everybody were gazing at that beautiful indutana, that beautiful moon-like, shariram, like how the chakora birds would see that moon in the autumn. Continuing. Tab raghubir kaha muni pahi तुम सन प्रभु दुराव कछु नाही तुम जानहु जेहि कारण आयऊ ताते तातन कहीं समुझायऊ अब सो मंत्र देहु प्रभु मोहि जेहि प्रकार मारौ मुनि द्रोही मुनि मुसुकानी सुनी प्रभु बानी पूछे नाथ मोहि का जानी तुम्हारे भजन प्रभाव अघारी, जानऊ महिमा कछुक तुम्हारी। उमरी तरु विशाल तब माया, फल ब्रह्मांड अनेक निकाया। जीव चराचर जंतु समाना, भीतर बसहि न जानहि आना। ते फल भक्षक कठिन कराला, तब भय डरत सदा सो काला। ते तुम सकल लोकपति साई, पूछे हु मोहि मनुज की नाई। यह बर मागऊ कृपा निकेता, बसहु हृदय श्री अनुज समेता। अबिरल भगति बिरति सतसंगा, चरण सरोरुह प्रीति अभंगा। यद्यपि ब्रह्म अखंड अनंता, अनुभव गम्य भजहि जेहि संता। अस तव रूप बखानऊ जानऊ, फिरि फिरि सगुण ब्रह्म रति मानऊ। संतत दासन देहु बड़ाई, ताते मोहि पूछेहु रघुराई। है प्रभु परम मनोहर ठाऊ, पावन पंच बटी तेहि नाऊ। दंडक बन पुनीत प्रभु करहु, उग्र साप मुनि बर कर खरहु। भास करहु तह रघुकुल राया, कीजे सकल मुनि न परदाया। चले राम मुनि आय सुपाई, तुरत ही पंच बटी नियराई। गीधराज से भेंट भई, बहुविधि प्रीति बढ़ाई। गोदावरी निकट प्रभु, रहे परन गृह छाई। सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। तब रघुबीर कहा मुनि पाही, तुम सन प्रभु दुराव कछु नाही। रामचंद्र जी spoke to भगवान गुरु अगस्त्य मुनि, तुम सन प्रभु दुराव कछु नाही। I have nothing to hide from you. हे गुरु, ओ लॉर्ड, तुम जानहु, you know everything. What are ऋषिस अगस्त्य जी? त्रिकाल ज्ञानी, out of their tapashakti. He could know everything. तुम जानहु, जही कारण आयो. For what I have come here, you know very well. See, even though they are in the forest, they can even visualize what is happening anywhere and everywhere. Tate tatana kahi samujhayo. You know what happened in Ayodhya, you know. See, as the son of Raja Dasharatha, why have I come here? I have come with whatever instructions given by my father to be in the Vana for 14 years. So I have come. But at the same time, now he says, from the standpoint of my actual purpose, what is that? From the standpoint of karma phaladata, Ishwaratva, from that standpoint, yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bhavati bharata, abhyuttanam adharmasya tadatmanam sujanyaham, paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam, dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. This is my promise. What is my promise? Whenever there is a problem in dharma, I will be there. I will appear. Therefore, now I have appeared as the son of the Raja of Ayodhya. I have come here for dharma samsthapanam. That you know very well. As from the standpoint of avatar. But from the standpoint of Laukika Manushya, I am the son of Dasharatha. He has sent me to the forest. Ab so mantra dehu prabhu mohi. Now, my lord, hey Rishi, please advise me a mantra. Ab so mantra dehu prabhu mohi. Hey Prabhu, please give me that mantra. The moment he said mantra, all the other saints and sages, they got up and went. Why? Mantra Diksha should not be given in public. It is always alone. Therefore, they all went away. No, Mantra Diksha has to be given. Therefore, they all went away. Jehi prakara marau muni drohi. They did not wait for what Ramchandraji was saying. They disappeared. He said, which way will I be able to kill all the enemies of the hermits, Rakshasas? Please give me a mantra. Muni musukani suni prabhubani. Sage smiled, listening to Bhagavan. What are you talking, Bhagavan? Puche hunata mohi kajani. You are asking me? With what intention are you asking me this question? As though you don't know anything. What is there in your mind? Tumare bhajan prabhava aghari. Bhagavan, because of tumare bhajana, because of my devotion towards you, prabhava aghari, this great opportunity of seeing you have come because of the devotion I have for you. Janav Mahima Kachuka Tumari. I also know your Mahima. You don't try to do some acting and all here as though you don't know anything and you're asking, oh, please tell me what to do. I don't know. No. I Janahu. Kachuka Tumari Janav Mahima. I know your Mahima. Umari Taru Bisala Tava Maya. Bhagavan. Your Maya, Tava Maya, your Maya, which is created by you only, is like a huge tree. Look at the example. It is like the huge Udumbara tree. Umari Taru, Bisala Tava Maya, Phala Brahmanda Aneka Nikhaya. Each fruit in that huge Udumbara tree is like a universe of itself. And Phala Brahmanda, in that every Brahmanda, Jiva Charachara Jantu Samana, each fruit is like a Brahmanda of its own, Charachara, wherein there are lot of Chara and Achara, Jantu. And this one is the insects. There are so many insects which are there, which are enjoying the fruit, inhabiting in every fruit. Various insects are also there. Bhitara basahina janayana. That insects which dwell inside the fruit, they know not of any other fruit of any other Brahmanda. They don't know anything. In the same way, I am living in this huge tree, your own tree of Maya, and I don't know anything else. And you are asking me for a mantra? What, Bhagavan? Te phala bachaka kathina karala. Kalo Jagad Bhakshaka, it is said. Time, Jagad Bhakshaka, it eats away Jagat. Time can do anything. And Te Phala Bachaka, and all those fruits are taken away by time. Tava Bhaya Darata. Only because having fear towards you, even time. Dharata Sadaso Kala. That Kala, here Yamadharmaraja also is indicated. Even Kala, Dharata, even he trembles in front of you. You are that Bhagavan Supreme. Te tumasaka lokapati sai. And therefore, you who are the Lokapati, who are the Supreme Lord, Sakala Lokapati, Sai of all gods, Puche you mohi. Manuja ki nahi. Like a common man, you are asking me where to stay. Yaha baramaagavu kripa niketa basahu hridaya shri anuja sameta. Hey Bhagavan, I ask you for this boon. Please bless me with this boon. What? Basahu hridaya. Please stay in my heart. Shri Anuja Sameta. This Shri is understood because we have already seen. Shri here refers to Mata Sita Ji. Sita Ji, Anuja Sameta, along with Lakshman Ji. Basahu Hridaya. Please stay in my heart. Now you will see one very interesting thing. Be it Sutishna Ji or Agastya Muni or all those people who have asked earlier, please stay in my heart, please stay in my heart. Why? One is, when you have Bhagavan in your heart, then all other petty things will not have space there. Bhagavan is all pervasive. He will be complete there. And when he is there, all the evil things cannot come and stay there. Unfortunate is that we don't have time for Bhagavan. We have filled our heart with all whims and fancies of the world, things and beings of the world, and therefore accommodation problem. We are ready to keep Bhagavan outside and keep all unnecessary, unwanted, irrelevant, worthless, unproductive, useless things we want to have. And try to enjoy, that also, try to enjoy having some petty pleasures, temporary pleasures. That is why Bhagavan has become almost redundant. And the best part, I am sure you will agree, even when you go to a temple to see Bhagavan, even when you go there, the rush of the whims and fancies of the world is so much that even standing in front of Bhagavan, our mind wanders into the petty, paltry pleasures of the world. And that is one of the reasons probably elders thought we will have some bell ringing. When one ring of the bell, what happened? Where am I? At least then you come. But some people have become immune to that also. Do whatever you want. I will be in my own world. Think. If we can't have Bhagavan in our heart, of what use all the things and beings of the world, whims and fancies of the world? If we have Bhagavan in our heart, of what use all these things? They cannot give us that joy. Having Bhagavan in your heart, that joy is incomparable. That is why all the Shastras constantly shout, scream, repeat, hit on our head, bang our mind and say, have Bhagavan in your heart. But how many of us really understand that repeated call? And actually speaking, frankly speaking, Bhagavan alone is there in the heart. But we don't recognize him, therefore we try to fill all the dust and dirt and filth into our heart. Is it not? Hridaya kuhara madhye kevalam brahma matram ahamahamiti sakshat atma rupena bhati. Hridaya kuhara madhye kevalam brahma matram. Bhagavan alone is there. The very thought that I comes there, it means Bhagavan is there. But we tell Bhagavan, you wait. Anyway, you are there already all the time. Now you be there. Let me enjoy. and running behind the whims and fancies like, a wild goose chase. We neither are here nor we are there. We neither enjoy the pleasures of the world which we have been running behind, nor are we able to enjoy the presence of Bhagavan in our inner heart. What a fool can we be? How more foolish can we be? That is why Santa Mahatmas, that is why Santa Purushas, that is why all great Bhaktas constantly tell, Abhirala Bhakti Birati Satasanga, may I please have. Agastya Muni is asking, give me that boon where Abhirala Bhagati, that intense devotion. And virati, virati here means what? Dispassion, vairagyam. Vairagyam from what? Anything in everything that is impermanent. Bhakti towards Bhagavan, who alone is permanent. Bhagati, bhirati, satsanga. My association may it always be with Sadvastu, Satkathana, Satchintana, Satkarya, Sadbhavana, Satpurusha, Saddharma. When my mind is fully occupied with all these things, my mind will not go to these petty pleasures. I will be completely occupied with the thought of you alone. Hey Bhagavan, therefore, Abhirala Bhagati, Birati Satasanga, Charana Saroruha Preeti Abhanga. Please give me that love for your lotus feet which is unbroken. When the mind is constantly in love with Bhagavan's feet, such a mind which is constantly in tune, have no time for all the petty things. Why is it that we have so many petty things in our mind? Because our mind is not filled with Bhagavan. Is it not? When the mind is fully occupied with the thoughts of the Bhagavan, where is the time for all the other things? Therefore, Avirala Bhagati Birati Satasanga, Charana Saroruha Preeti Abhanga. Let there be love for your lotus feet alone and not for the petty pleasures of the life. Jadyapi Brahma Akhanda Ananta. Even though I know, I am completely aware. Anubhava Gamya Bhajahi Jehi Santa. I am completely aware of Akhanda, indivisible, Ananta, infinite Brahma. Anubhava Gamya, who only can be realized, who only can be known, who only can be experienced. By whom? Jehi Santa, by great saints and sages. Asatava Rupa Bhakanau Janau. Asa, and even though I depict you in this fashion, even though I see you in this fashion, Piri Piri Saguna Brahma Rati Manavo, I know you are that Supreme Brahman. I know that there is nothing, there is no difference between me and you from the highest standpoint, which is absolute. However, in that absolute standpoint where me and you are one and the same, I am not able to enjoy. Therefore, let me enjoy. Let me be your bhakta. I don't want that right now. I don't want that supreme. I want you to be with Saguna Brahma. Rati Manavu. I would love to enjoy your Saguna, qualified form. Again and again, Piri Piri. Again and again I want to see you. Santata dasana dehu badai, tate mohi puche hu Raghurai. Hey Raghurai, Lord of Raghus, you have always been, your very nature is to elevate and exalt your servants. You always want to praise your servants. Keep them always at a higher pedestal. Therefore, you want the Ramayana to say, Agastya ji guided Ramchandra ji. It's a great honor. Agastya ji guiding Bhagavan. Some people may laugh, but then when Ramayana says Agastya ji guided Bhagavan to where he has to say, that only brings honor to me. You wanted your servant to be honored by everybody. Therefore, in the Ramayana it will be written that Agastya had guided Rama to the place where he has to stay. Therefore, to give that glory to your servant, you are asking me? Tate mohi puche huraghurai. It is for that you are asking. See, it is the very nature of Bhagavan to honor his devotees. That is very nature. And seva to Bhagavan is the highest dharma. Remember, to do seva to Bhagavan is the highest dharma, but at the same time, Bhagavan giving us an opportunity to do seva is his greatness, glory. And therefore, see, before gaining the knowledge, whatever seva you do, it is karma yoga, isn't it? And that karma yoga is sadhana rupa. What will it do? It will purify your mind. It will remove your mind from all the petty pleasures of your life, and it will give direction towards the higher. For that sadhana rupa, karma yoga is always prescribed. But when the mind is already purified, when it gains the knowledge of the Supreme, then the very culmination of such a knowledge is again bhakti, again seva. Karma, bhakti, dhyana, jnana leads to that supreme knowledge of Aham Brahmasmi. And once you gain Aham Brahmasmi, the result of that is again bhakti and seva. How wonderful is spiritual science. All our sadhana is to see Bhagavan. Earlier we saw this also. All the sadhana is to see Bhagavan, and the result of seeing Bhagavan is to see his bhakta. So bhakta becomes greater than Bhagavan. Think. And this is how Bhagavan makes his bhakta great. Hi Ram. See, one more very interesting point. If you don't know a person, you may not serve that person. But when you love someone, then seva becomes inevitable. Service becomes inevitable. Whomever you love, you have to serve. That is why Gurudev said, service is love made visible. Remember this. Service is love made visible. Therefore, seva. Extremely important for sadhaks like you and me. Now, Bhagavan, hey Rama, Agastya ji says, since you are asking me, since you have asked me, I will do it. Why? I will get a holy spot. 1, 2, there is a holy spot. Hey Rama, hey Prabhu Param Manohar Thau. Hey Prabhu, since you asked me, there is a very beautiful Manohar, very delightful, most charming place. Pavana Panchavati Tehinavu. And Tehinavu, its name is called Panchavati. Dandakabana Punita Prabhu Karahu Ugra Sapa Muni Barakara Harahu. Dandakabana Punita Prabhu Karahu. Hey Prabhu, please sanctify, purify Dandakavana, that forest. Which kind of forest? Ugrasapa, because of a terrible curse. Munibarakara Harahu, a great sage, Shukracharya. his name is Shukracharya, who cursed. There was a king called Danda. Dandaka rather. There was a king called Dandaka, who was a very terrible person. And therefore, his mind was so he did all wrong things possible, and Shukracharya ji gave him one curse. May you dry away. Okay? He gave a curse, and then the complete that is why it's called Dandaka Vana. A Vana, forest, which has been cursed because of Dandaka Raja. Please purify that forest so that it will also grow. Bas karahu tahu Raghukula Raya. Hey Raghukula Raya, please make that place Panchavati as your abode. Kije sakala munina paradaya. And through that, please shower your grace on all these sages and saints who are all there. Chale Rama Muni Ayasupai. Muni Ayasupai, taking the permission from the Agastya Rishi. Chale Rama, Bhagavan departed. Tulsidas looks to be in very hurry. Earlier also in Chitrakoot, you remember, Chitrakoot also, zoom, he brought him in half a chaupai. Similarly here, Chale Rama Muni Ayasupai. Turata hi Panchavati near he reached Panchavati in no time. Turata. In no time he reached Panchavati. Why did he reach Panchavati so soon? Swamiji, because your time is also over. Gidharaj se bheta bai. He met Jatayu, the Raja of vultures, huge vulture. Bahubidi Priti Badai. He made friends, befriended with Jatayu, and they became very good friends. Jatayu said, I know your father. He also tell him, oh, who's son? Oh, I know your father very well. Don't we say? Similar, Jatayu also must have, I know your father very well. Therefore, they became good friends. Godavari nikata Prabhu Rahe Parana Grihachai. Then he came to near the Godavari river. Nikate, Godavari Nikate Prabhu Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji stayed at Panchavati near the Godavari river. Rahe Parana Grihachai. He made a kutira, of course. Lakshmanji is there with his help, and of course Jatayuji's help also may be. They made a Paranakuti, and Bhagavan took abode there. Now we are going to enter into the most beautiful portion of this Aranya Kanda, where you will find Sri Rama Gita, a fantastic teaching by Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji to Lakshman ji, which we will take up tomorrow. Alright. Siyavar Ramchandra ki jai, Pavan Sutta Hanuman ki jai, Umapati Mahadev ki jai, Bolo Bhai Sab Santan ki jai, Shri Sadgurunath Maharaj ki jai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Sadgurunath Maharaj ki jai.